So at this year's 2016 Delhi Auto Expo, the motorcycle pavilion has been getting a lot of footfalls compared to cars. Like the saying go, two wheels move soul and four wheels move the body. So we decided to have a quick chat with Pankaj Dubey, the Managing Director and Country Head of Polaris India. Hi Pankaj. So I would like to have a few questions. So how is this year for Polaris, and how exciting is Auto Expo this year for you?
Oh, fantastic. I mean, the last year, 2015, has been a great year for us. Whatever plans that we made, we exceeded that by a good number. The Polaris business has been growing a lot. We have penetrated across the country. And in 2014, when we started Indian Motorcycle, it was, we launched the first dealership in Gurgaon in May 2014, and for about a year we were silent and watching what's happening. And then we realized the kind of a response that was very encouraging, and we expanded the network to another 5 in 2015. So from a 1 to a 6 in 2015, and we want to double up this year to 12 dealership by end of the 2016. As far as Auto Expo is concerned, it's a great place where a brand like Indian Motorcycle gets more visibility, because we are present in 6 locations. So many people have their own perceptions about the brand. The motorcycle enthusiasts who love this brand, they know what it is, but the people at large still have to come to know. So this Auto Expo will be a great brand increase, awareness increase for us, and that is what is happening right now. So we are very happy about it. Also on the Polaris side, it's great because we have penetrated into the various institutions, including army, police forces, and a lot of Polaris experience zone across the country. The individual buyers have really encouraged us to keep the momentum going on Polaris.
All right, so what are some exciting things we can expect from Polaris and Indian, say, in 2016? What can we look forward to?
Yeah, as I already shared, the 2 new models that we have launched here. We will also be sharing few new models in 2016 on the motorcycle side, as well as on the ORV side. So 2016 is more of expansion of the brand, going from a premium towns like a top 6 towns to another 6 tier 2 towns, and some of the towns that we left in the first phase. So expansion in terms of distribution and expansion in terms of service network, and exposing the brand across the country. That's what will happen in 2016, and I'm sure that will lay a solid foundation for a future growth to come.
All right, great, and we wish you the best for 2016, and that's about it, folks. Thank you, Pankaj.
Thank you, so it's great that you are here at Auto Expo. It's very exciting, and I'm sure that you would have got a lot of information from here. Stay with us. We'll be launching our Indian Motorcycles Rider Group at Goa. Come to IMRG 2016 and enjoy next week with us. And also log on to www.drivespark.com for details on Polaris and Indian Motorcycle. Thank you.
This is DriveSpark reporting from the Renault stall at the